If you are in need of a professional land surveyor in Dispur, look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. As a leading company in the field, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has a team of experienced and skilled land surveyors who are dedicated to providing accurate and reliable surveying services. With their expertise and state-of-the-art equipment, they can handle various types of land surveying projects in Dispur and its surrounding areas. A land surveyor plays a crucial role in various industries, including construction, real estate, and infrastructure development. They are responsible for measuring and mapping the land, identifying boundaries, and providing precise data that is essential for the planning and design of any project. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of accurate measurements and strives to deliver high-quality surveying services to their clients in Dispur. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd takes pride in their team of highly skilled land surveyors who have extensive knowledge and experience in the field. They are equipped with the latest surveying technology and tools, ensuring that they can deliver accurate results efficiently. In addition to their technical expertise, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is known for their commitment to client satisfaction. They prioritize clear communication, timely delivery of results, and transparent pricing. By choosing them as your land surveyor in Dispur, you can be confident that your project will be handled with the utmost professionalism and attention to detail. In conclusion, if you are looking for a reliable and experienced land surveyor in Dispur, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the perfect choice. With their team of skilled professionals and advanced technology, they can provide accurate and efficient surveying services for all types of projects. Contact them today to discuss your requirements and benefit from their expertise in land surveying. Are you in need of a land surveyor in Dispur? Look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. As a renowned surveying company, we specialize in providing accurate and reliable land surveying services to clients in Dispur and the surrounding areas. Our team of experienced land surveyors is equipped with the latest technology and tools to ensure precise measurements and detailed reports. Whether you require boundary surveys, topographic surveys, or construction layout surveys, we have the expertise to meet your specific needs. At Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, we understand the importance of quality and efficiency in land surveying. That is why we employ highly skilled professionals who undergo rigorous training to stay updated with the latest surveying techniques and equipment. Our team is committed to delivering exceptional results while adhering to strict industry standards and regulations. We prioritize customer satisfaction and work closely with our clients to understand their requirements and provide customized solutions. As a leading land surveying